How to find your full Instagram search history. First of all, launch Instagram app. Make sure to sign into your account and navigate to profile icon at bottom right corner of your screen. Now tap three-line icon at top right corner of your screen. Scroll down and look for how you use Instagram section and tap your activity. Now you simply need to scroll down and look for the option of recent searches, and these are all your Instagram search history. If you want to clear all, you can tap clear all at top right, or you can even delete individually by tapping on the cross mark next to the username. To delete all, tap clear all button and select clear all. Now this will delete all your Instagram search history. So that's how we find full Instagram search history. I hope this guide worked, and if you are new to our channel, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more tech and tips videos. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.